Speed. Script B, take one. Action, please.
Thought he should be here by now.
Well, I'm in no rush, and it's nice to have somebody to talk to. I read going back to that empty house.
When do you intend to see Jimmy?
I won't, by all accounts.
What do you mean?
He told Barry Grant that he doesn't want to see me. If that's what he wants, I've got nothing to do about it.
I know this is none of my business. And I know he can put my face out of here, and maybe I think that's best for us all.
How do you mean?
Well, after everything that you've gone through for the past few months, really.
Yeah. I've had lots to take. Lots.
I'm telling you, if he was my fella, he'd be lashed by now.
It's not that easy, though. Is it? Is it love? I cannot leave him at this time. Not in that state.
Maybe you should take a leaf out of his book and just think about yourself for a change.
You mean this is the best time for me to make a fresh start?
You could easily find another fella out there. You should go out and have fun and enjoy yourself.
I cut.